It's Joey here at Cannon's RV Repair. So today we're installing some lighting for our customer because when he watches movies, the ceiling lights in his RV are just too bright. So he actually found these nice dimmable lights that we can work off of a remote control, because as we all know, installing a dimmer on these RV ceiling lights all together as a whole unit can be very challenging. So he found these on Amazon, and they actually have several different settings. The biggest feature I think that you'll find that you like about these is A, how easy you can install them. We just used alien tape and some screws. And B, you can use the remote control and change it to different colors. So we just turned it to night mode right here. So we're going to turn it to 6000K, and then we're going to go to 4000K, and then we're going to go to 3000K, and then this is night mode. So night mode is going to be your dimmest setting on these, and then you can increase it by pushing up on the remote as well, and it just goes bright as can be. We'll put it back on 6K, which seems to be the brightest setting. And then it does have timers on the remote. You can set one for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and one other. But here's one nice feature about these guys. These are wireless. They have a battery inside of them. We're going to go ahead and take one off of the wall. Okay, now I have it in my hand. I can use the capacitive touch sensor that turns it off and on, right? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and turn it off one more time. On the side here, it has a battery, and it just presses out, and you can hook it up in the back of it. We'll turn some more lights on here so you guys can see what we're doing. All right, it's a little bit better. So this battery just clicks in place here. Unclick it, pull it out. It has a little wire hookup right here that comes with the wire so you can recharge them. And it has a light on it that'll be green when it's fully charged, and it'll flash red when it needs to be charged. When you first turn them on, it'll be green, and then the green light will go out. But they have 4 magnets on the back here, so you mount this plate on the wall right here, and you can use all 3 screw holes, and just you want to use like a 1/4 inch screw that's flush mount to it, okay? And on the back side of it, you could put 2 pieces of alien tape. Let me show you what we use for alien tape here. So we just use 2 pieces of this alien tape, and you just put it on the metal plate. You mount it, make sure it's square and level how you want it to be, and then you can decide whether or not you want to use the screws. If you don't use the screws, there's a possibility that the plate could fall off. But the reality of these is, if you're transporting your RV somewhere, you should take them off the wall. The magnet is very strong, and these lights are adjustable. You can angle them any way you want. So this one, you just pop it right off, okay? Pop it right back on. I'm going to travel somewhere. I've shut them off, and I'll put them in my safe traveling case inside the RV somewhere. As you can see, there's 2 metal plates there. It was very easy installation. This is a 100% DIY job. The only thing you want to watch out for is make sure that you're not going to be drilling the screws into any wires behind the wall. So if you guys have any questions on the product, I'll put a link down in the description below. This is something also that we install locally for our customers. If you want to contact us and reach out, we can get these installed for you. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.